To adjust sleep settings on your Chromebook, click the app launcher in the lower left corner. Type Settings, and click Settings in the search results. In the left column, click System Preferences. And to the right, click Power. From here, there are a couple sleep settings that you can customize. By default, when your Chromebook is plugged in, it's set to go to sleep when it's inactive. If you want to change this, just click the drop-down next to Plugged In. Rather than going to sleep, you can have just the display turn off when the Chromebook is inactive, or you can keep the display on all the time. Select the option that you prefer. You can make the same change for when the Chromebook is running on battery, but I'll leave mine set to go to sleep when it's inactive. Also, by default, your Chromebook will go to sleep whenever the lid is closed. If you'd prefer, you can click this toggle to keep it on, even when you close the lid. If you have any questions, you can always visit the Acer community or our Acer support site, and don't forget to subscribe.